Picture yourself sitting behind a red light or at a stop sign, and you unexpectedly get slammed from behind, boom, and you suffer injuries. What do you do next? I'm Shamsi, a personal injury attorney here in California. I've been practicing 17 years, and I'm here to help you fight to get you compensated for your injuries you've suffered as a result of an accident. If you've been involved in an accident or suffered an injury, make sure you visit my website or set up a time to talk to me over the phone or in person so I can help you get proper compensation as a result of your injuries. In this video, we'll explore the typical steps involved in a rear injury accident to get you the proper compensation you're entitled to. If you've been injured in a rear accident, it is very crucial that right after the accident, when you've been rear-ended, to seek medical attention as soon as possible. Sometimes the pains can come in a couple hours, or sometimes the pain can come in a couple of days. You need to make sure you go to the doctor so that the doctor documents your injuries and does a thorough examination of your bodies to make sure that you're okay at the time of the accident. So right after you seek your medical attention and gone to the doctor, you need to call us first so that we can protect you and advise you on how to proceed with your case. Always be careful. Do not call the insurance company before you call me first. The insurance companies are not on your side. They will ask you questions and they will get answers from you that might possibly hurt you down the line. You should not talk to the insurance company before talking to our office to make sure we're on the phone when you give them the statement to protect your rights. Your case starts right at the get-go when an accident occurs. You need to make sure to only protect yourself and to make sure you keep yourself in mind. You need to document the scene. Take photos of your car. Take photos of the other person's car. Make sure that you take photos of the scene all around. You need to make sure you get the other driver's license and insurance policy. We need to document all the evidence right there up front at the scene of the accident. This includes contacting the local authorities. If you're injured, call the police station. Make sure they come out, take a report, and make sure you get the police officer's card and ID number so we can request a police report for you after the accident. Make sure that you go into your doctor's appointments on a regular and consistent basis. If you don't go to the doctor consistently and have gaps in your treatments, the insurance company will use that against you. Make sure when you're involved in an accident that you've been rear-ended, only exchange information with the person who hit you. Do not talk about the specific facts of the cause with them. Only talk to the police officers when they come to the scene. If you've been injured in an accident, please visit my website or look at my YouTube channels. Then make sure you call my office directly to set up a time to talk to me or my staff on the phone or to meet personally in my office. My office and I are here to protect your rights, to make sure you get the proper compensation from your accident.